Okay, I think stream just got started. You can share the links and we'll start in 2-3 minutes.
Yeah. I think for some reason I did not get the notification. Yes, we are live. We have 117 subscribers.
That's not bad from the start. Okay, same. All at the same time.
Yeah. You send it to a trade ideas, yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. Let's start the day. As you all see, I have started new 100K account, so I'll take trades on this from this month on. And do not take this trade. Okay, I'll remove it. Sorry. Do not take this trade. Today we have to keep our risk a bit low. I'll explain the reason in a minute. One second, guys. Let me check my internet speed again before something.
I think it's fine.
Okay, it's fine.
Currently looks fine.
Only news we have is that US government shutdown. They haven't reached on a deal, and that is the only concerning part today.
But there is ADP and all today coming out.
Yeah, we'll trade the news in the evening. That is fine. I see this one, so now ignore this trend line and just focus on this area. Any closer below will try to sell. Okay, let me mark our zones to start the day. Okay, guys, so yesterday we take a trade, we got around how many pips? We took it at around here and we reach
500
almost
pips. I
500 pips. I did close
no,
around
I know
400.
it
Hmm?
did give 500 pips. My TP, I kept it exactly at 500 pips today morning. By the time I woke up, it was already my trade is not going on right now because it's already hit the TP.
I'll show you my TP. So this was me. It got hit around something 410 pips, something like that. So I put 400 on this one, and now we need to create a new sheet for October. What did I do? Uh,
Nothing.
uh, Okay, I need to use control, sir. Okay, let me make a first entry, then I'll delete this one as well. So this will be started for today, and okay, guys. So let's start. Let's mark our zone first. So by looks of it, we are heavily bullish, and
Yes.
जो वीकली कैंडल है उसके ऊपर स्टिल गैप मेंटेन्ड है जो कल फिल नहीं हुआ. कल की डेली कैंडल वी हैड 400 pip up move, then 700 pip down move, and then still we close bullish. Okay. And today's candle is struggling bit. It take out the yesterday candle high, and now we don't have any much direction. But by looks of it, we are still bullish. There might be retracement or no, we don't know. Now go to 4 hour. The 4 hour create new support right here, and we do have 4 hour resistances right here. Then you go to 2 hour. Zones are same, 2 hour resistance. As you can see, we do have rejection, rejection, and we do have support, support. So now you go to 1 hour. 1 hour zone are still the same. So this is around how much? Around 500, 550 pip range. Now here comes the question on this mid range. So this mid range, we do have breakout, retest, and then price short up this area. Or you can count this, but this entire area will be counted as a potential reaction zone and act as a support. And I'll mark this one. Then in the current range, we can mark something like this. You see, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with rejection in this area. So, and increase it to slide up. So resistance here, resistance here. Now we have support, multiple rejection. Any breakout above this, we should fill the next range toward 38. And you go to now 30. So now you can see we do have this multiple wick rejection from this area. That wicks come down towards here. तो फिर इस सपोर्ट को रिड्यूस करके थोड़ा नीचे ले आओ. तो नाउ ये एरिया इज आई से नो ट्रेड जोन फॉर अस, क्योंकि अगर अपन यहाँ एक और सपोर्ट बना के ट्रेड करते हैं देन ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे मल्टीपल रिजेक्शन है. तो और इतनी बड़ी रेंज में नहीं है, हार्डली 50 की रेंज है, बट दैट विल इंक्रीज आवर रिस्क अननेसेसरीली. तो बेटर ऑप्शन यही है कि वी वुड बाय अबव 69 ऑल टाइम हाई पे क्लोजर होता है तो, एंड वी सेल बिलो दिस
Yes.
54
Yeah, makes sense.
and ignore this range. We could have tried in this range, but it's already have a couple of indication in this area. So ignore this range. That would be safer option. And
Yeah.
apart from that, if you see, we do have one. So this did a breakout on 15 minute, but let's just go to 30 minutes. So 30 minute, we do have nothing. But ignore this trend line. That will complicate things. So this we do have below 53 till 38. So 150 range below, and sky is the limit on the upper end. Uh, तो ये अपने करंट जोन हो गए गोल्ड के. So I place an alert on one at bottom. The gold is done. Let me post this chart to the Discord. Is
Oh yeah, I do have the kind of same zone marked on 15-minute time frame.
zone same, man. Even on 30, on 15.
Zone is in.
Yeah. And I'm not touching this one. But एक और कंसर्न अरुण ये है कि if the government shut down, then फिर जो डेटा रिलीज है ना उसका इशू रहेगा.
Yeah. Yes, that's what. So ADP and all won't come out only.
Potentially that can happen.
Where did you see the
Oh,
government shutdown actually?
let me post here.
Forex Factory does not show this apparently.
If you look at this, Financial Times, I think it'll ask me some membership, but you can do the math. And
Yeah.
we can Google something so you can find out. Times of India, if you want look something else. Okay. So they have a date around 1st of October.
Okay. There you go.
They can deal by 12, but they haven't. So that's a mistake. And even this,
Okay.
that's done for 2 hours, 37 and 16 seconds. But pretend that nothing happened like this and enjoy. Uh, Oh, sorry. Now we have to analyze few more pairs before what. So now focus on GJ. I think GJ do give us a breakout with upside now. If you look at this, so we are bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Now bullish, we do have breakout. Maybe this candle can take us to new highs. And this logic breakout about the sessions.
Yes.
And I think
Session just
GU
gets
looks
swept actually.
GU looks good to trade right now. Something like this. 29 have to be vessel to 45. Do not take this trade yet. I'll let us find out the reasons. I think GU also following up. जो अपना कुछ plan था yesterday, it haven't closed below, rejected. Now it did close above. I think both EU and GU have same potential. थोड़ा इसको नीचे लिया था. भाई जो current support से breakout हो चुके हैं and then it start to shoot up. और अपने पास next range है यहाँ तक. ये वाली range. तो इसके पास भी 60 पिप की range है. SL is same 20. So दोनों में same SL है. Pick your poison. And
USD.
okay, then we should intern. I think GU looks fine to me.
Yeah.
And EU will also pick a pace along with it. And very soon we'll reduce our SL to this area. Or you can entering both up to you. Like divide the risk in half. We'll
Are you entering now or waiting for candle to close?
reduce our risk. I think 30 already closed. We do still have time. We'll reduce our risk at this candle after some time, but right now just take SL below at 4-hour lows and we'll be fine. Okay, so I'm entering confused now. Should we enter E or G or both? E looks like it had more upset, more volume, 9-10 pips. तो यहाँ से एंटर करते हैं तो कितना होता है 30-40. Okay, let's enter on E first and then we'll see what to do. So Euro USD,
USD.
I just hit entered.
You are sending signal.
So 1.1768, we did enter. I'm sending and sending to it is the SL. TP is 1815, 1.1815. Okay, let post it to Telegram as well.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, 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 I'm doing
I'm
it.
posting into this. And same goes with the Euro GBP USD. So whatever you want to enter, we only enter on EU. And gold, we are just waiting. And let me change something. The entries will be around 56, but our entry is a bit later. Okay, around mine entries around 65.
Yes.
And very soon, if this candle close back in the range, we'll close the trade. As long as we stay above this zone, we are fine. And let it shoot up a bit around. Let me find which area we can reduce our SL. Okay, let it go around something 80s area. We will reduce our SL to current candle low. And what?
This area.
Okay, Euro and
Yeah,
ZD, I
that
don't like
is.
it. GBAD. Oh, something happened with GJ. Now, GJ is dropping a lot, and the trade we found it was right here. It would be easy 150 pips. It was correct. This we did a breakout kind of consolidating period. It tapped bottom and retrace again. It did a breakout around 10 o'clock, 10:30 in the morning, and from there it was a 19 pip SL to 21, 1 to 1 it came in already. And what else we have? All of a sudden JPI pairs are bearish. And the zones are working perfectly fine. I think on 4 hours did a breakout, now shooting down. On hourly, if we were on the system, it did a breakout. Even here, it was a nice breakout. So what is the this area? And on this tiny breakout, it get on this. This is the next range. What's the bottom? AJ looks good. If we close below this current area in maybe next 12 minutes, we do have a clean area to drop. तो एज अपन ट्राई कर सकते हैं. So let me bring this pair on top. Either we have this area clean. This is also
Yes.
good. And this zone is nice. एक बार breakout होता है तो we'll be fine. And इसको देख के लग रहा है कि breakout होने वाला है. And this Tokyo session is If this is dropping, then your GPY is also dropping. Breakout retest. अब ये तो इजी सा हो रहा है. देखो काइंड ऑफ तुम ये पैटर्न लेके चलो, ठीक है. चैनल, फिर यहाँ पर एक चैनल था पिद्दा सा. इफ यू गो ऑन
Yes.
लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे चलते हैं तो यू कैन सी क्लियरली. उसके बाद यहाँ पर एक चैनल था डेली के ऊपर. We did a breakout. Now we fill this range. It was a hell of a patience, 200 pips. बट इसके बाद भी अगर ये यहाँ पे आया है, यहाँ फिर से ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है नेक्स्ट रेंज 8490, जो 60 की रेंज अभी है ऑन डेली के ऊपर. एंड सी ऑन डेली यहाँ क्लोज हुई थी yesterday. तो बस you should have just woke up, take a sell stop. SL was 27, T3 77. That's good. And आप इस ट्रेड में इंटर करें तो कितना ऐसा लगना है? 31 pip to 60 pip drop. Odds are good. But I think so there's auto look at bottom. Plan change. अबे ज़्यादा फिर एनालिसिस करना तो मुश्किल काम है यार. हाँ ना. अब ये
To
मैंने
keep, I
हाँ.
always
अरे यार
found it is hard to keep a track of all the pairs.
ये यूरो जेपीवाई का ना आई थिंक काफी टाइम से भी अपन ने लास्ट जब एनालाइज किया था एक चैनल चल रहा था ना इसका काफी स्टिकर था. तो ये ब्रेकआउट हुआ एंड ब्रेकआउट फिर भाई इसका यहाँ हुआ है. पता नहीं क्या ही हुआ है बट इट केम डाउन एंड नाउ इट जस्ट retest ड्रॉप केम डाउन अगेन ड्रॉप. अब देखते हैं एक ड्रॉप होने के बाद पोटेंशियल रिटेस्ट फिर ड्रॉप. तो कोई ट्रेड नहीं है फिलहाल. बस लंदन ओपन होने दो एंड लंदन ओपन होने के बाद अपन ट्रेड करते हैं. तब तक के वेट एंड वॉच पे रहेंगे. Bro, we have 8 minutes to kill. You know what to do.
Yeah, let's start. Your revenge time.
यार साला रोज रिवेंज मेरा पहले होता जा रहा है. हाँ. Did you just castle?
I just castled.
Oh, straight to queen, huh?
Of course. Why not?
डाला अच्छा.
Uh, hmm. You have made it tough, or I have made it tough for myself.
I did a mistake and that costed me. That will cost me.
What mistake you did? Could you please explain your mistake so that I can utilize it?
5 more minutes. I don't even know what to move, but let's give you a check. Wow, dude, you did take care of your Anja. I would also like to key yours, but you won't let me. There. Okay, demo.
I think you keep saying that just because you know that you can do it.
Luckily, that was a mistake. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And I don't know what else can do. Do you do that? And if we kill our king, then what will left to us? Nothing.
Nothing.
So I have to move. But even if you kill me, then what will happen? If you kill, I'll give you a check, then you'll know. Not sure here. I need to find. It's just a waste of move. Oh, did gold giving us a breakout?
Not yet.
What's the purpose of this move?
Just give you a check, Oliver.
It was not just a check. You put in a tricky situation. Thank you.
Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. I did not see that coming. Nice.
Okay, let's just see.
Okay. Yeah.
So we do not have a breakout. It just take
You are planning on closing below 59, right?
54.
54, yeah, makes sense.
Now look at gold. Look, gold just sweep the lows of Asian, close back in the range, and did some weird thing. It haven't given a choke. Maybe there was okay. If you look at this, this is last. Oh yes, this was a pullback. So on 1 minute, it take out the lows, give you a choke. This is an inducement. Now it can go up, but for some reason, I don't want to buy
Um,
gold today. Yeah.
even like even I had this feeling because first thing, if it like it already went to what 75, right? 3875, and then in 15 minutes also it closed back below 69,
Yeah.
and after that it was not a breakout. There's no breakout after that. So that did not give me much confidence that gold might go up a lot in Asian or in London. Maybe in NYC you will see a movement, but till that time I think it's just going to consolidate over here. Considering there is quite a lot of news that a lot, but a few important news that is coming out today.
If you look at what do you look at? Only thing that looks good on gold right now on 1 minute, we do have liquidity sweep. We have to take out the boss, made its shifting structure, take down, might come down and give it a little push. And due to the fact that it's a US government shutdown, it might can keep continuing up. Apart from that, well, let's just come second, you know. Do not try to predict the market. Let it do what it does, and then if it aligns with our setup, we'll take it there. Until unless we are on the backseat, our EU trade is running fine. GU is also good. Somebody want to take it, but we don't want to expose twice on the same pair. So that is why we took only EU trade. And we do have a 1 hour program 83. So by that level, we do something and then that's a level.
Are we reducing SL for EU? No, right? Not right
Not,
now.
not yet. Let it shoot a little bit. We hardly have 7, 8
10,
bit
8
more.
pips actually. Yeah.
1 second. Okay, I'm back again.
Yeah. You're running 50 pips.
The bit. Oh,
Oh, no, sorry. Sorry. My bad. You're running
10,
10 pips.
10 bits. EU, bhai, EU.
50 pips, we would be closing our trade actually.
Mm. Is there some sort of channel on even 1 hour? Let me close this. Let me close this. Uh,
Actually,
Did I push it? I don't think so. But yeah,
what time frame you're thinking
I-
about?
I'm on 1 hour.
Well, this is then again a breakout, right?
How did it happen here? We do have a retest closer above at 67. That's our entry, and it should shoot up now. That's good. We can reduce our SL to 36. What was this? 28? Okay, so
0.75, 1.175.
this 1.17368. Low 3. Okay, 37.
Okay,
And
37.
then we'll
Okay.
reduce it more. Slightly less than usual. Yeah. Basically, it's our low. I want to take it below around 48, so rest will be hardly 20 tips. But that I tap this line and I'll be fine. I think 100 next time, 10% off.
100 next. Okay. Uh, Let me check. I did not see any offer coming in from my side.
I got an email. Let me check. Yes, I got I see two offers. So
I think offers for you. I don't see your exclusive offers. No coupon available. Nice.
and it's still 3rd of October. It did reject from this area again. What can we do? See, this support is being
It's
respected a
like
lot. If you enter from
15
this,
minute, yes.
SL go to 100 pips and then you can target new all-time high. And let me 5, 10. All I see is this. So we are in this channel, and that's a good channel. That 2 minute boss and chop would ever fine. And it might go to take out the session high now, 75.
NYC, it's not even 15 minutes since NYC opened, so I think we can wait.
London.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, London. What is happening to me today morning?
One time there was a breakout. Now we are holding this level.
3 minute you're checking. Wait for 5 minute to close. I think 5 minute also closed, right? Yeah, 5 minute also closed.
Oh, the reduce as well here.
Two.
Stay
Okay.
with more than we can take half, so we can leave the rest.
It did give us 12 pips at the highest. I saw 12 pips. That's it.
all this for 90 pips from that dinner chalk.
Yeah,
Yeah, this we can do.
1 minute.
So take the noise under this. So that was pullback right here. It gave a pullback, and that was
I think we can see a breakout coming then.
and that was it. it- And it, and we might see a breakout soon, and that will take a bit of that.
Yeah, we do have a breakout.
Not yet.
Oh, well, we have. I'm waiting for closure.
So 7 minute till this 30 close on 15 minute still hovering around at this level. Now breakout. What happened to you? Was
You
it
actually retraced fully.
a takeout? Okay, close you.
Like it came back. Uh, Close EU at
Right now.
0.1.
I think it did take out the session high. Might go to take out the session low. See, Dixie start. Dixie was right here. Start to shoot up. It can give us some trouble. So before that happens, close. And let me share this one.
Uh, I am just checking one thing.
Huh? Swan signal on. What do you call
I
it?
am just checking one thing.
Okay.
I have sent signal to Telegram to close. Yeah.
The pixel flip bullish and AUG should come down now.
We have a breakout in 15 minutes. Actually, I'm taking on the flip for the candle. And I'm active.
Okay, then take a trade. I said keep it tight. So,
Yeah, I'm keeping it very tight.
yeah, 13. Okay. I don't, I- yeah. But there is a one thing, the moment you take out this, then we need to take out some partial because it might be some liquidity again and we can drop.
Liquidity sweep again. Yeah, makes sense.
So, if you look at everything, the 2 minute choke was the best. It would have gave around
Yes.
120 pips by now. So, boys, we are active on gold. We do have breakout as we planned. And even 30-minute give a breakout, say for S&P 59, but that would be too big. So 15 breakout, 15-minute breakout is fine. We have SL just below it. And first TP level is this once you take out the Asian highs. So 75,
Yes.
56 is the first TP level. And in the losing scenario, if price came back, then we might do some this control thing. Or this thing, well, the rejection from this area. This volume profile thing is always trouble. Even you look at yesterday, next candle rejected from this area. And
Your TP is at 66, right? Your SL is at 66, right? Uh,
last
kind of
15,
tight SL.
yeah, last 15 low. Basically.
Yeah.
Currently on this trade, and see what happened. First, second, third. We do have a order block as well on 15. So in case we do have some sort of retracement, that would be a nice entry around 66, and we will interfere again if this trade do not goes our way. So now
Yes.
let's delete everything. And this one, this one, this one. So that is the first trade we have. And TP level is this. And that is the second trade we have. In case we got stopped down this. And that would be enough trade for London. No more trade after that.
Yes. Your camera is not on?
Oh, because the tiny fella came into my room.
Ah, okay.
So uh, and God on mic is not off. My camera is on, but I didn't transition it. So camera was on all the time. You are in sell on gold. Bro, maybe the real move come in the evening.
Who's
Yes, अबे सेल कब लिया अपन बाय में भी गए
we aren't by breakout trade, so it is slight in profit right now, but yeah.
ये टीपी अपना 75 के ऊपर तो बस बट टीपी लेवल हिट होते वी कैन रिड्यूस हाफ एंड देन लीव इट
Yeah.
सो दैट वुड गिव अस अराउंड हाउ मच ऑफ टीपी 46 pips.
I have targeted the high of this candle actually, like 75.5.
हाँ इनिशियल टीपी वो है इन केस लिक्विडिटी स्वीप होके अपन नीचे आते हैं तो एटलीस्ट सेफ साइड रहे तो वहां पर
We will
एटलीस्ट
be,
हाफ लो
yeah.
कर दो एंड देन एसएल मूव करना है नहीं करना देन यू कैन लीव इट सो इफ यू डोंट मूव द एसएल यू विल आउट ऑन द ब्रेक इवन वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो एंड इफ यू
Yeah.
move the SL to break even, or in case price entry पे आती है, then you might miss the potential move, but that is more safer way to do. So however you want to play this, it's your call.
Yes.
मैंने तुमसे कहा था ना कि मैं ये पैर ऐड करूंगा फिर मैं डिलीट नहीं करूंगा आई लाइड
You deleted the pair?
नहीं भी करने वाला बस जैसे ADC सब
I was actually, to be honest, I was expecting today morning when when we came to live, you might have already deleted all the pairs.
अरे वो रात को मैं सिस्टम पे बैठा नहीं ना
Fair enough.
आवा टू टायर्ड हूँ नहीं भाई अब नहीं हो पाएगा अरे, and yeah we did tap to some sort of POI. Oh, we did a mistake, guys. We haven't recorded our trade.
What?
So first start with EU. Uh, EU trade was
PUI?
based. EU trade was based on 4 hours. We had a breakout. But the moment we see Dixie, we did close it on a break even. So I do have one pip loss, to be honest. So let's mark it down.
Oh, my entry actually went up. I do not understand how my entry went up way too high over here.
In seven. So did you follow our
Ah,
plan? Yes. Pips. I do have -1 pip. It was a loss. Take out. That's 1 hour. Entry. That was a breakout sector. 4 hour. What time did we enter?
uh, which
10.
one? EU?
So 10, 25, 11, 12, 25, 10, it will be 12:55 my time.
Yeah.
It was a buy, trade was only done, and then we took it on 01 10 25. And then that's the under on. Paul not giving some good vibes right now.
If it is closing back in range, I will close the trade. I don't mind actually. Like,
Let it close. If it close like this weird candle, then we will close it and then we'll enter again from 66.
yeah.
66 to SL would be 57.50. No, yes,
So
57.
in 2 minutes, I will.
57.70 you can take the SL. One more minute. I think this 10-minute POI was too heavy. If you look at this.
Oh, 10-minute PI. That's what I was checking. I cannot find a PI.
Even 15 there was a POI.
Yeah, but 15 PI just went way
And
too up.
if on
And
this
it was
closer,
previously tapped as well.
this 30-minute will also become an auto block. So then my reason or entry we need to stretch up to 67. Damn man, that's a little bit 67 to 57. Well, if we look at 15, entry would be a bit, at 66. But then on 30-minute, this auto block, we would have to increase our entry, but we still have 15 more minutes to close. So this auto block is not valid yet. We don't know if we will survive or not. But currently, this is the only valid auto block we have, and we will keep it like this. So current entry would be 66. Yes. 66 to 57.80. I'll send the entry. Let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, I think it's closing bearish. I'm closing the trade again at loss. Loss of something around 2, 1. Done. I closed it. Trade was based on 15 breakout. Now we close back in the range. It can go up or it can come down, but that was the logic to enter in this trade, and we took this trade on 15, so we'll manage on 15.
No, makes sense.
Let me update the triggers. So
Mm.
dude, I think we do have 2 losses. One is minor one, but uh, still a loss. And now we
Oh,
would break
this
even.
gold,
Damn
this
my,
gold looks like
but it just literally flipped.
it's a bullish, bearish, bullish. Like, yeah, but like I cannot say right now because candle is just created only. But if this creates a bullish, bearish, bullish, then again we can enter.
Okay, but the plan is the same. We do have 2 losses in a session, so I think there is no need to take a trade. Will stream in NY.
sounds good.
EU as a break even, this could have also been avoided, but we did manage our plan according to our plan we have. So no more trades for me now. Okay, folks. So I'll see you back in end my session. But first, let me update the trade so we can have. So that gives me minus 30. What is start of the month? Lows and lows. I was 10:45, so 13:15. It's lows. Okay.
Yeah. And it, it was just a fake out to just
So that was the trade. So that is it. Enough for it, guys, and I'll see you again in NYSE. And I'm ending the stream.
Manoj, the stream ended.
Yeah. Uh, Closing it just
The
right away.
trade was correct only.
Trade was correct. We overmanaged this. That's the problem.